Let's start. Question says that in the expansion of x by cos theta plus 1 by x sin theta whole power 16, if I1 is the least value of the term independent of x when theta is in between of pi by 4 to pi by 8, and I2 is the least value of independent term of x when theta is in between pi by 8 to pi by 16, is asking that what is the ratio of I2 by I1. Okay, so let us find. So what do we do here? Independent term. So let us take the independent term is general term, that is TR plus 1. So let us take that is TR plus 1 is the independent term, right? So independent term, how to write here? NCR, okay, a to the power of n minus r into b to the power of r. So here we can write this one as n is 16, 16c, r we don't know, we have to find r. So r, what is a here? X by cos theta, x by cos theta, x by cos theta to the power of 16 minus r into b value is what? 1 by x sin theta to the power of r, correct? So what I can write this one? This we can write as 16 CR. I separate the x powers. X power is 16 minus r, and here we can write 1 power anything is 1. Here x power r sin power r theta, correct? And this here we get as x power this and cos power 16 minus r theta, correct? Did you understand? I separated this power to this. I separated this power to this. Okay. Now therefore what I get here? 16 CR 1 upon, I can write as sin power r theta into cos power 16 minus r theta, and x power I will get as 16 minus r, and this plus r I will send up. So I will get as minus r, right? Correct? So what I get here? 16 CR x to the power of 16 minus 2r, and I get here sin power r theta into cos power 16 minus r theta, right? He said independent of x. Independent of x means x power 0 should come. Independent of x means x power 0. It means I have to take this is 0. That is 16 minus 2r is equal to 0. Then 2r is equal to 16. R is equal to 8. Correct? R is equal to 8. Then what I get independent term here? 16c8. I get as this is 1, it becomes x power 0 is 1 divided 1 upon sin power r is how much? Theta. Sin power 8 theta, r is 8, and I can get as cos power 16 minus 8 theta. It means I got as 16c8 1 upon sin theta into cos theta to the power of 8, correct? This I can write as 16c8 sin theta into cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta by 2. What is sin 2 theta formula? Sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula. हाँ, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़े ना, तो sin 2 theta formula. I am asking difficult question. Huh? easy question na, tell me. Alright, 2 sin theta cos theta na, sin 2 theta formula is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta will become what? Sin 2 theta by 2. So this is I can write as 16c8, I can write as 1 upon sin 2 theta by 2. 2 I can take up. So 2 power 8 and this is sin 2 theta power 8. Correct? Any problem? So till now we reached here. Okay. After that what to do I will explain, you note down. See, you have 16c8 2 power 8 by sin 2 theta whole power 8, right? Is asking what? Is asking that I1 is the least value. I1, I am going to find I1. When if the theta is in between of where to where? Pi by 8 to pi by 4. Pi by 8 to pi by 4. In this equation where 16c8 2 to the power of 8 sin 2 theta to the power of 8. अभी देखो इधर pi by 4, I keep here pi by 4, then if I keep pi by 4 what I will get? If I get theta plus pi by 4 what I will get? Pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 1. See, when denominator maximum value you keep, then the value will become minimum, right? When you have denominator things, you want to get maximum of this. In denominator you have to keep maximum value. What is sin maximum? 1 na? Array sin range is where to where? -1 to 1. So maximum is where? 1. So which angle I have to use? Pi by 4 or pi by 8? Pi by 4. If I use pi by 8 suppose, if I use pi by 8 here, so what I will get? Pi by 4. What is sin pi by 4 value? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is not maximum value. Correct? Getting or not? So what I use here, if theta is equal to pi by 4, I will get the minimum value. I1 will be minimum. I1 will be minimum. No? He is asking for least value. No? Here, what is asking here? Least value of independent of x. So I1 minimum when I will get theta equal to pi by 4. So if I keep pi by 4 in this, what I am going to get? Tell me. 16c8 till now 2 power 8. What's अर्थ? बोलो भाई. Sin 2 theta. Tell ना. What is his answer? 1. अरे वही बोलो ना सर. That is only you have to tell. You are not speaking. Right? Next one I have to get I2. I have to make max minimum. What is the I2 range here given? Tell me fast. Pi by 16 comma pi by 8. चलो sin is which function? Sin is which function? Sin कौन सी function है? Sin is which function? Increasing function. Sin is increasing function. Cos is decreasing function. Correct? Pi by 8 means, what is the value of pi by 8 here? Sin 2 theta means what? And pi by 8 is how much? Pi by 4. Right? Pi by 4 means how much? 45 degrees. Pi by 16 means how much? Pi by 8. Pi by 8 means how much? 22 half degree. So sin value maximum where you will get? 22 half or 45? 45 max. So the denominator max value will give you minimum value. So what value I have to take here? Theta. Pi by 8. Right? If theta is equal to pi by 8, if theta is pi by 8, I will get I2 is equal to min. Min means least. Min means least value. Right? I will substitute I2 find out. I2 is equal to how much? 16c8. बोलते रहो सर. see 2 power ये बोलते नहीं आप 1/√2 √8 वेरी गुड स्मृति है ना. सो अभी व्हाट यू गेट हियर 16C8 how much you get 2 power 8 1 power 8 is 1 √2 power 8 is 2 power 4 2 power 4 na 2 power 4 right. So what is this value 16C8 very good. So I'll get as 16C8 2 power 12 correct. This is I2 I got. What is asking here I2 by I1. What is I2 16C8 I2 is 2 power 12 16C8 2 power I1 2 power 8 6 cancel 16C8 4 times cancel 2 power 4 16 is the answer. Understood?